Hey guys, I hope you're all having a great day so far. Today's video is going to be a really beautiful soft glam makeup look, and it's really chit-chatty. We are literally going to be talking so much shit, so keep on watching if you guys want to see me blab on and on about random stuff of life. And we also get to look at like a really pretty soft glam look. But anyway, how was everyone's Christmas? Oh my god. I ate so much food. I was like a little whale. Like everything that got put out I ate. Except dessert's my favourite thing to eat. So as soon as the ambrosia came out, I was like, yep, all mine. No one else have any. It's all mine. What was your guys' favourite food for Christmas? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you enjoyed most. Anyway, getting onto the eye makeup, we are going to put a really nice soft crease colour, and then we are going to use this Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, create a bit of a smoky effect with this red brown, and then my favourite, we are going to be using the Stila glitter, and I think it's in shade Kitten Karma. It's like my favourite because it's a really champagne kind of rosy-ish tone. I don't know how to describe it. It's just so good. So that's going to make our eyes pop. So I wanted to do something that's really soft and glam because I know for a lot of people, myself included, we're too lazy to wear lashes and liner a lot of the time. So this way you look like you've put on so much effort and you look so glam, but it literally takes like 5 minutes. And who doesn't love that? Especially coming into New Year's. I know we all want to look nice and glam coming up to New Year's Eve. Party time. I'm not even partying this year. I really wanted to start out 2019 nice and relaxed and healthy, not feeling hungover, because honestly, now that I'm getting older, when I get a hangover, it's like death. It is literally like I'm dead for at least 2 days, sometimes even 3 days. So I wanted to start really fresh. I'm going to have really good food and just, have a couple of wines and relax. I'm actually working on New Year's Day, which kind of sucks, I'm not going to lie, but someone's got to do it. And that unfortunately is me this year. So I'll be in my store and that will be really fun. Hopefully there's some people around, but anyone who knows retail knows that there will be absolutely no one around on New Year's Day. To be honest, I don't even know why shops open. Literally, do not know why. But what are your guys' goals for 2019? I'm having a really hard time deciding what I want to focus on other than getting healthy, because I eat far too much junk and sugar and I really need to stop being silly and get healthy. So that's one of my goals, but you guys let me know what your guys' goals are, and then maybe I can steal some so I have some good ideas for goals for 2019. I'm just blabbing on and on and on, and we're not even talking about the makeup. It really is a chit chat video today, isn't it? So you guys can see I've done my eyes, we've made them nice and smoky, we're getting all sultry and sexy, and then I have bronzed up my skin because, let's be real, this pale girl needs a little bit of colour, otherwise I look like a piece of paper / ghost. So we have bronzed up the skin and then adding my favourite highlighter. You guys know that I absolutely love this loose highlighter. It is the Bee's Knees. So I'm kind of bathing in it, as you can see. So I was thinking for 2019, we could do some more fun creative videos. Like, I'd really like to get into character makeup, maybe some more how-to for you guys, some Instagram hacks and things. So if you would like that, let me know. I think we're going to do it anyway and just see how it goes for 2019, just for something fun, a little bit different, because let's be real, it can be a little bit boring watching makeup tutorials over and over and over if it's just the same type of look. So let's do something a bit different and fun. Anyway, lipstick wise, we are putting on this Jeffree Star lipstick, and it's a beautiful, beautiful deep rosy shade, which normally I actually hate these tones on myself. I feel like it never suits me, but I really like this colour actually, particularly with the smoky eye look. I feel like the tones really worked well, which was really pretty. And you guys can see I need to smoke out the bottom lash line. Put some mascara on as well. Like I said, we are not going to do lashes today because I'm lazy. And then we do need to do my brows because literally look at how invisible they are at the moment. They literally look grey. They are melting into my face. Reminds me, I can't remember what's off, but it's like, I'm melting. Melting. That probably sounded so stupid. I think I'm in a really hyper mood. You know when you're sleepy and you just get a bit crazy? Well, I know not everyone does, but I do. I just get like delusional sleepy. That's the stage I'm in at the moment. It's been a long day, guys. Big day at work. I think it's time for bed. I need to go to bed, put myself to sleep. But you guys can see now we're going to do the brows, sort myself out, make myself look a little bit more presentable instead of invisible grey eyebrows. And who doesn't love a bold brow? I feel like when I'm wearing makeup, I absolutely have to have my eyebrows done because I just feel so incomplete if my brows aren't done. It's like, what? What are some good tips and tricks that you guys really liked to stay healthy? For me, I'm finding it really hard eating such healthy food when I'm craving sugar or wheat or dairy because I love cheese, let's be honest. So let me know what you guys like to use to make it so you stay healthy or any tips or tricks that you've found. Anyway, we're coming to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this really casual chit chat video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!